Honorable Speaker, sir, art, music, literature, and the culture are integral to the preserving the identity, tradition, and collective heritage of a society while fostering creativity, social cohesion, and a sense of belonging among communities. Recognizing their importance, the government remain committed to the conservation, promotion, and advancement of the rich art, culture, and literary tradition of Sikkim society, for which the government has established the Sikkim Art, Culture and Heritage Development Board. The government provides annual grants to the board and extend continuous support to institutions such as the Sikkim Academy and the Namgyal Institute of Tibetology for the preservation, promotion and documentation of Sikkim unique culture and intellectual heritage. Additionally, the Kalakar Bharosa Sammelan celebrates and acknowledges the immense contribution of our artists, writer, musician, and cultural practitioner. Through this initiative, the government remains steadfast in its commitment to nurturing artists' excellence, preserving cultural heritage, and inspiring future generations to uphold, celebrate, and enrich the rich traditional and diverse cultural legacy of Sikkim. Honorable Speaker, sir, as we pursue economic progress, we must also preserve the rich cultural heritage and traditional wisdom that define the identity of our people. One such priceless legacy is the Rosum. The traditional Lepcha Kin breeds a remarkable example of the indigenous engineering that has connected communities across difficult terrain for centuries while remaining the complete harmony with nature. Recognizing its historical, culture and ecological significance, the government has undertaken a comprehensive documentation of the Rosum tradition through extensive field studies in Jangu involving anthropologists, community elders, master bridge builders, researchers and experts. This initiative seeks to preserve not only the construction technique but also the traditional knowledge system that have sustained this unique engineering practice for generations. A new Rosum has already been constructed at Higetang in Lower Jangu, creating a living heritage site that will serve as an educational resource and ecotourism attraction. We are also partnering with UNESCO and leading academic institutions to document and study this indigenous engineering tradition in the Kanchenjunga Biosphere Reserve. The government is committed to securing wider recognition for Rosum as a globally significant example of sustainable design and ecological engineering. A proposal is being prepared for its inclusion in the National Inventory of Intangible Cultural Heritage of India, paving the way for future international recognition. Through this effort, we reaffirm our belief that indigenous knowledge systems continue to offer valuable relations for sustainable development and climate resilience in the modern world. Rosum stands as a symbol of resilience, innovation and harmony with nature and a source of pride for the Lepcha community and the people of Sikkim.
हर सफर सिर्फ मंजिल तक पहुंचने का नाम नहीं, यादें बनाने का नाम है। जीप, दमदार परफॉर्मेंस, मजबूत बिल्ड क्वालिटी और हर रास्ते पर बेहतरीन भरोसा। सिट्रॉन, प्रीमियम कंफर्ट, स्मार्ट टेक्नोलॉजी और शानदार वैल्यू फॉर मनी। 30 वर्षों के भरोसे के साथ कीसन्स जीप सिट्रॉन, नॉर्थ बंगाल और सिक्किम की अधिकृत डीलर। सेल्स, सर्विस और जेन्युइन स्पेयर पार्ट्स, सब कुछ एक ही छत के नीचे। आज ही आइए कीसन्स जीप सिट्रॉन, 2.5 माइल सिलीगुड़ी। हर सफर भरोसे के साथ।